Hi everybody, this is Tay Ho Company for another apartment visit. So I would like to show you a great apartment who is providing with a giant balcony and a great view as well. Let's show you the view on West Lake. You're about 180 possibility to see everything. This is a balcony. As you can see, a big one. So let's move on inside. As you can see, a kitchen with providing with many furnitures, a big table. Right here, a living room with a giant sofa, television. Do not forget, this apartment is providing with a Wi-Fi connection, air conditioning. Let's move on. The room with a big bed to places. You get one of the windows who provide you enough light inside. And right here, commodity to put your clothes or whatever you need. The kitchen, as you can see, providing with many furnitures like plate, fork, knife, glass, coffee machine, microwave, oven, big fridge, and to finish, the bathroom. Alright, that's it for this wonderful apartment. Thank you, bye bye.